this is the kind of early version of the peace machine, in the sense that the idea was that these meaning negotiations would kind of increase the chance to have a better communication and conflict resolution and so on. So this is a kind of early version of that basic idea related to language and communication and concept systems. And I would say that we live very interesting times, as you here also, of course, very well know, that the data that is available and the systems that we can look at are very different from what, for example, linguists have been kind of over the centuries. They have been interested in individual words, and they kind of try to see things through using pen and paper. And now we can go higher and higher levels to higher and higher levels of abstraction and to analyze and understand things in a different way. But the basic idea is such that the meaning negotiation is something which has been kind of working on. It has been a bit difficult to sell, and it's quite interesting that the kind of societal address, or the kind of how people take it, has been much more enthusiastic than scientific for the moment, at least. But then I would say that there's an interesting problem related to formalization, that we kind of, even the computers that we have. So I would say that even the von Neumann architecture is in a certain way flawed in order to, for example, do really good natural language processing. So that's the kind of one of the things I'm then coming towards the end. But some words about emergence. So thanks to the fact that I had a chance to work with the self-organizing map, regardless of its formal qualities or lacking some of the lacking formal qualities. So what it helped was to kind of realize the importance or the potential of the concept of emergence. And so there are a number of different examples of emergence, and Zipf's law is, of course, one of those very commonly known thing about how the kind of statistics of texts and the distributions of words in the texts, or almost any phenomena are having this particular power law shape, and this being kind of learned this project, and then extending this to other contexts than linguistic and symbolic contexts, which I also find, like yesterday's examples and discussions regarding that the data more and more often can be something else than just the strings of symbols and words.